So first equation, v is equal to u plus at. V is equal to u plus at. Second equation. Second equation is s is equal to ut plus half at square. Ut plus half at square. This is second equation. Third equation of motion. V square is equal to u square plus 2as. V square is equal to u square plus 2 times of as. Now it is important to note that u is basically called as initial velocity. U is initial velocity. V is called as final velocity.
Final velocity.
Final velocity. A is called as acceleration. A is basically acceleration. Acceleration. T is time. T is basically time that is given. T is time. S S S is basically the distance. S is distance traveled. Distance traveled. So first equation is V is equal to U plus AT. Second equation is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. Third equation is V square is equal to U square plus 2S. U is initial velocity, V is final velocity, A is acceleration, T is time, S is distance. We have one more result, that is distance traveled in nth second. So distance traveled in nth second. Distance traveled in nth second. Nth second. So if in problem they ask you to find the distance traveled in fifth second, third second. So what we do, we use this general formula. Snth is equal to u plus half a within a bracket 2t minus 1. So Snth is equal to u plus half a 2t minus 1. Snth is equal to u plus half a 2t minus 1. Right? Now next target is to see the numericals that are based on this particular articles. Clear? Now numerical based on this particular article. First question number 1. So the question says that a trolley while going down an inclined plane has an acceleration of 2 centimeter per second square. What will be its velocity 3 seconds after the start? So in this particular question, a trolley is given which is going down an inclined plane and has an acceleration. So initial velocity is 0. Acceleration is given 2 centimeter per second square. They ask you to find the velocity after 3 seconds. So time is given how much? 3 seconds. So our first target is to convert acceleration into meter per second square. For which what we have to do, we need to multiply by 10 raised to the power minus 2 or divide by 100. So acceleration is 0.02. Time is given as 3 seconds. We need to find the final velocity. Now we have initial velocity, we have acceleration, we have time, and we need to find final velocity. So the formula that we have to use is V is equal to U plus AT. So formula is V is equal to U plus AT. So as far as U is concerned, the value of U is 0 meter per second. Now substitute the value of U as 0. Plus acceleration. Acceleration is 0.02 into time. Time is given how much? 3 seconds. So this is final velocity. So V is equal to 0.02 times 3. So it is 0.06 meter per second. 0.06 meter per second. So this is nothing but the velocity. That is the final velocity. So final velocity of trolley will be 0.06 meter per second. So hence final velocity of trolley is equal to 0.06 meter per second. Hope the concept is clear.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Now see, in this particular question, the question says that A car accelerates uniformly from 18 kilometers per hour to 36 kilometers per hour. So initial velocity is given, that is 18 kilometers per hour. Final is given 36 kilometers per hour. Time is given 5 seconds. First part we need to find acceleration. Second, distance covered by the car in that particular time. So given part, initial velocity 18 kilometer per hour. So our first target is to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. What we do, we just multiply by 5 over 18. So once you multiply 18 kilometer per hour, 5 over 18. So it is nothing but 5 meter per second. That is the initial velocity. Final velocity is given 36 kilometer per hour. So V is given how much? 36 kilometers per hour. Convert 36 kilometers per hour into meter per second. So 36 into 5 over 18. So 18 times 2 is 36. So it is 10 meter per second. That is the final velocity. Final velocity is 10 meter per second. Time is given. Time is given 5 seconds. Time is given as 5 seconds. So they ask you to calculate the acceleration, distance covered by the car in this time. So step number 1, we need to find acceleration. So first point, we need to find acceleration. So use the formula V is equal to U plus AT. V is equal to U plus AT. So V is given 10, U is given as 5 plus acceleration into time. Now time is given as 5 seconds. So we have 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5 is equal to 5A. So A is equal to 1 meter per second square. 1 meter per second square. So this is nothing but the value for acceleration. So value of acceleration is 1 meter per second square. Second part of the question, they ask you to find the distance covered by the car in that particular time, right? So step number 2, we need to find the distance. So for distance, we have to use second equation or third equation. You can use as per your convenience, but they ask you to find the distance covered by the car in that particular time. So formula is S is equal to UT plus half AT square. UT plus half AT square. So U is given as 5, time is given as 5 seconds plus half, acceleration value is 1 into time ka square, that is 5 ka square, that is 25. So it is 25 plus 25 over 2. Now take the LCM. LCM will be 2. LCM will be 2. So 25 2 is 50. 50 plus 25 is 75 over 2. 75 over 2. So this is nothing but the distance. So distance is 75 over 2. You can also find the answer in terms of decimal also. So we have 75 over 2. So 2 3s are 6. Carry 1, 2 7s are 14. So 37.5 meter is the required answer. Required answer is 37.5 meter.